Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Thank you very much, Taco. Taco, you are the shit. Thank you so very much.
Thank you very much. That's really nice. Thank you.
Got to bring back out the top hat, brother. Less than 3.
Yeah! Which one? For this? I can't fit it over the headset. No way! Lady Chaya has arrived! Hello, Lady Chaya. How are you, darling? How was your day? How you feeling? What it is? How's it go? What is good with you?
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
1,000 bits?
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Thank you so very much, man. Lady Chaya, what you just witnessed is me getting 1,000 bits. Every bit is a penny. So, I'm really happy. That's really awesome. Thank you so much, Volga Bulga. You are the shit. I love you, darling. Ooh, she
She bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle.
I am doing fantastic. I just got 1,000 bits, so I'm flying right now. So I'm feeling really good right now. And Lady Chaya, do you got a whole big audience right now? Do you still got everyone with you? Are you by yourself? This is a QST. Oh, I'm tired. Hype train. There's a hype train? Holy shit! 75% of a hype train. Damn, Volga Boga with 1,000.
Damn!
Holy shit. Wow. I'll be back in like... I just made it. Holy shit. Taco, thank you so much. I can't fucking believe this. Now my hype train, I'm on level 2 of a hype train. It says about to beat your last record. Keep up the support. 5%.
Holy shit.
And 4 minutes, 30 seconds left. Holy shit, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Give me 1 second. Taco, I'll be right back to lick your ass. Give me 1 second.
I'm Lieutenant Frank Drebin, Police Squad.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
What the fuck? Really? Enough? Taco, you are the fucking king, man. Thank you so much. Volga Bulga is incredible. And now Taco is just going off. This is crazy, man. I'm fucking blown away. About to beat your last record. Keep up the support. 11%. 3 minutes, 30 seconds left. Holy shit, this is awesome.
Holy shit.
Lady Chaya, if you are unaware what a hype train is that means that a lot of people are hyping me up. As you can tell. Because they're get the fuck out of here.
Money talk.
Are you fucking kidding me? All-time record shattered.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter. Oh my God!
Holy shit. Thank you so very much. You gotta be
Here comes
kidding.
the money.
Are you serious?
Money talk.
And it says giggity all over the place?
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
You gotta be shitting me. You gotta be shitting me.
What?
And now Critical Autismo pops
Here comes
in?
the money.
Get the
Here we
fuck
go.
out of
Money
here.
talk.
Here comes the money.
gotta be fucking kidding me. Is it my birthday or something? Lord Tismo has arrived.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Money talk.
Oh my God, Lord Chaya.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
I cannot believe this
Everyone
is happening.
slapped their nuts right on that table. Fuck
Everyone,
yay.
everyone slapped their nuts on the fucking table tonight. This is obnoxious. I'm on a level 3 hype train, setting a new record. Keep going until the clock runs out. 3 minutes, 25 seconds. I can't fucking understand. I'm so... I love you guys, man. That means a lot to me. I mean, I do work really hard on this shit. It's like it is my second job, so that really means a lot to me. That's so fucking cool. I'll slap my tits on the table. No fucking way! Thank you so much, man. Holy shit. Bill? That was from Bill? Oh, man. Oh my God, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
What the fuck is going on, man? I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to do. I'm fucking flipping out.
Thank you very much. That's really
Oh my
nice.
God.
Thank you.
Here comes the money.
Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me?
Here comes the
Are you
money.
kidding me?
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Oh my God, man. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Holy shit.
2 minutes left, less than 2 minutes, 155, and we're 43%, 42% on a level 3 hype train. Oh my God, man. I don't even know what to say. I can't. I love you guys, man. Thank you so very much, man. Oh my God.
Thank you so much, best friend.
Oh my God, man. That was just the. You guys are fucking awesome, man. I love
Here
you guys.
comes the
So.
money.
Here we go.
Get the fuck out of here!
Here comes the money.
No way!
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Holy shit, man.
Holy shit.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God, this is absolutely bananas. 13% on a level 4 hype train. Oh my God! I have tears in my right eye, man. 4 minutes and 30 seconds left. We're at 13% on level fucking 4. You guys are absolutely amazing, man.
Thank you very much. That's really nice. Thank you.
I don't have to point out that this is going to be a highlight at all. I'm chopping this whole shit up and putting it on my YouTube channel. Critical Autismo, I cannot thank you enough, man. Holy shit, motherfucker. God damn it, I got by the who the fuck did that? Commando, god damn it.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Money talk.
Mr. Blonde!
Here comes the money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Mr. Blonde, thank you, man. Thank you so much. Autismo, I don't know what's going on with you, baby, but thank you so
deserve it,
much.
Scrooge. You're the best friend in person.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, best friend.
That's amazing. I don't even know what the fuck to say. I never thought this shit would happen. Wow. There's a bunch. I got 3 minutes left in the level 4 hype train. Setting a new record. Keep going until the clock runs out. Wow, man.
Oh my God!
I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. I'm so fucking shocked right now.
Like I said, this is the now.
Hell yeah, it is, baby. Right now. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on the hype train, level 4, 17%. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. Yo, Matt, what is the science, man? Really? Matt, welcome to Angry Wolf Syndrome. My name is the Great Big Scrooge. You can call me Scrooge. We got 2 minutes left on the hype train. We're at What the fuck, Bill? No! Oh my God, man. Thank you so much. Holy shit. What the fuck? GJ! Get the fuck out of here!
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Holy shit, this is insane.
Holy shit.
Matt has enabled God status. Yes! Got one more sud in there. There's cheers, fucker. Thank you so much. Oh my God, you guys. Fucking Balake. Balake comes in and cuts one, man. In the middle of a fucking hype train. We got 45 seconds left on the hype train. 65% level 4.
What the fuck?
Got 35 seconds. We got 30 seconds left on the illest hype train I've ever...
Here comes the money.
No, my fucking God. Oh, my God.
Here comes the money.
Commando. Holy shit, man.
Dollar, dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Oh, my fucking God. 73%. 10 seconds left.
Here comes the money.
Oh, my God. No fucking way.
Here comes the money.
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Such strong support. All-time record shattered. You've reached new levels of support. Holy fuck, and it's still going.
Here comes the money.
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Oh my God, I have no idea what got into you guys. Commando. Thank you so much. Taco. What the fuck? Commando! Really?
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Commando, oh my God, thank you so much, man. You guys are out of fucking control. Volga Bulga in the lead. Come on, man.
Here comes the money.
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Holy fuck, you gotta be kidding me. I haven't even had a chance to introduce anybody. What? Fucking Malachi? And Malachi.
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Holy fucking shit. Thank you so much, man. Commando, I don't remember you ever throwing bits at me before, and now you're just launching them left and right.
Thank you very much. That's really nice. Thank you.
Holy fucking shit, man. I can't believe this, man.
Thank you so much! Best friend!
Wow, man. The love. Just wow, man. I'm just fucking blown away. Holy fuck. Volga Bolga, Critical Autismo, Taco Warmer, Lord Chaya, Lady Chaya, GJ, Commando, Mr. Blonde, Malachi. I can't thank you guys enough, man. Like, I'm so fucking blown away right now. And there's 20 people here. There's fucking 20 people here, and you got me all goosey and blubbery, freaking the fuck out, not even knowing what the hell is going on. That was the illest shit I've ever seen. I don't even know what to say, man. Oh my god. Holy shit. Lord Chai, you still here, homie? Just remember us when you hit it big. Are you kidding me? If I'm hitting it big, you're coming with me. This is me. You are me. We are one. Better switch to Indica. Bill switch to better switch to Indica. Boom, boom. Tismo, man, no, man, I'm not going to change. I'm always going to be this. I'm always going to be doing that. Okay, what the fuck did I just want to ask Lord Chai and I can't remember? Count it up? You want me to count up everything?
Here comes the money.
What the fuck?
Money talk.
Are you serious?
Money.
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
Holy fuck, and they're still going. There was something I wanted to ask Lord Chaya, now I can't remember what the hell it was. Amra just went live? Amra just went live. Let's pop in on Amra in a little bit. Count your big Scrooge phone bill on us tonight, brother. Holy shit. You want me to add it up? All right.